How to find your deleted friends on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply find your deleted friends on Snapchat. It is very easy. You just have to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, you have to go into your respective app directories and search for the Snapchat application. Once you do that, tap on it and simply update it because near features won't be available on the previous versions of Snapchat. Once you do that, now what you have to do is simply go into your Snapchat, go into your friend list, just check your friends. So these are my friends and I want to remove some of them. So for example, this is the one that I want to remove, so I'll go in down and simply go over there in the freelance three dotted bar at the top right corner of the screen and remove as a friend. Once I tap on remove, so it would be removed. Now it won't be showing it in my chat, so I cannot find that friend in it. But what I can do is simply go and search, and I can simply search for that friend out here. So that is not a problem at all. So I can simply go and find my friend from here. So this is how you find your deleted friends on Snapchat and you delete your friends on Snapchat. I hope this video was informative, and if you still have any question, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.